Hey guys, how are you? Okay, quick tip video. We have got a lot of people asking us based on the experience what we have with the social media. They are all first time entrepreneurs. They are not in the IT category. They are in the non IT category and who are very new to this entire social media space. The question what they asked is, we want to come into social media. What should we do and what are all things that we should create? The two questions. First question, what should you do? You have to create an account in various social media. So answering the first question is very easy. The second question is, what should we do to create that? First thing, let's take one by one. I will use only three things which I feel is basically needed for prevalently all type of businesses. Okay, probably four things. I will. Okay, first is Facebook. The second thing is LinkedIn. Third is Twitter, and fourth is Instagram. Okay, fourth Instagram. I'm adding it, but it is very selective. I will explain which type of industry will work good for Instagram. Let us probably take Facebook first. I recommend Facebook for almost all type of industries, all type of businesses, all type of shops, all type of traders. So all type of entrepreneurs, you can come in and you can open your business page in Facebook. Generally in Facebook, what happens is you have to be a user and then you create a business page. And I recommend you create a user as your business and also business page. User can bring in a lot of other people, you can connect with people, you can tag people, and business page you can create, you can keep it only to your stuff. So what are all the things that you need for that? You need your logo. Generally Facebook accepts all type of images, so you need not worry about it, and Facebook automatically allows you to edit it and then they bring it inside a circle, so you can put that as your profile photo. The second thing is Facebook asks you to put another photo which is called as cover photo. So in case you have a rectangular photo picture, you can add that as your cover photo and Facebook will accept that. And then you have to create your first post. Post is nothing but the messages which you are doing it. So in a post, you can tag people, you can add photos or videos, you can create some kind of a feeling like, I'm feeling positive, something like that. You can put from where you are putting that post, which is called as check-in. So these are basically activities which you will learn by yourself when you start your Facebook account. What are the things which you should not do? Don't give any of your personal information in your business page. Second, don't give any phone number which is attached to your payment system in Facebook page. 3. Don't give any information which is to be withheld and which is to be kept as a private information and then think that Facebook is very secure and things like that. There are a lot of areas where security of Facebook has been taken care, but do not take the risk. So Facebook is one thing which is there. The second is Twitter. The reason why I'm very bullish about Twitter is specifically the business handle of Twitter is the response time is extremely fast. It can be if you are bringing another brand for your discussion or if somebody else is bringing your brand for discussion. Second point why I like Twitter, only limited amount of text can be given. So the questions will be very focused. They will come straight to the point. There will not be any diplomatic things there. And you can also reply back very fast. The solving of problems or customer service happens very fast in Twitter. So people go to Twitter and then approach the brand's Twitter account for seeking either customer support or sales or marketing, or in case they want to give their grievance also. Okay. So how do you same open a Twitter account, email ID, create a password, and again it will ask for a photo. So create a profile photo, and then you can create your tweets. Tweets are basically similar to Facebook post. The only difference is you have a restriction of post, numbers, characters. You have to type your text. They will allow you to attach image. They will allow you to attach videos. They will allow you to attach external links also. Let's go to social media number 3, LinkedIn. LinkedIn is basically started as a professional business to business or business community exchange networking uh, social media platform. How far it is kept only to business, there is a lot of debate. Let's not go there. But LinkedIn can actually give you very good filtered users. In case tomorrow you want to hire people, LinkedIn gives you an opportunity to do job post. Facebook also does that, but LinkedIn gives you a direct access to the users who are professionally linked into that particular field. They are openly declaring it. So LinkedIn is basically considered as a business professionals community. You can create a user. You can, as soon as you create a user, you can also create your own business page into that. And every time you put a post, please tag your business page. And every time you put a post in the business page, make sure you are tagging your user profile. So Twitter is done. These 3 is recommended for all type of businesses, startup to big, industry A to Z. Last, let's come to Instagram. Instagram is basically pictographically very high system or very high platform. It basically works with images. You can create a stories there also. For what type of businesses this actually works is, let me give you an example. It works very well for cosmetic industry. Why? You can actually project that in an image, and you can make people to fall in love with that. I take that example and now give you a description what works very well in Instagram. If you can put your product or services in an image format, and if you are able to make the people to fall in love with that, Instagram is a fantastic medium that you can approach. What to do? Very similar. You have to create an account, and then you put a Facebook, you put a profile photo, and you can start adding stories to it. So all the 4 social media platforms are recommended for startups. Whether it is, everything will work for you, maybe, maybe not. But your presence in all 4 will give you a very good brand, appeal. The brand penetration will be increasing. And for a startup, that's a very big thing. Making people to know about your business, making people to know about your brand. I think these are the 4 recommendations that BTSS is submitting through this video for startups who want to come into social media for the first ever time. if you're already in there in social media and if you want more doubts to be clarified, feel free to write to me. My email ID and my WhatsApp number is given in the description of this video. Feel free to write to us or just send us a message in WhatsApp. Let's have a lovely chat. This channel is all about talk, learning from each other's experience, and having a lovely time. Thank you very much.